Good morning, everybody. It is Thursday, January 20-something. I'm not quite sure anymore. 26th, maybe? And we're calling an Uber. And in the Bellagio, it's a very nice Uber pickup area. Well, we're calling a Lyft. They even have restrooms down here. That is one nice tour bus. It's nice and sleek. There were a few pickup location choices for this bus excursion, and we chose to be picked up from the Excalibur. It is 8:47. We have 15 minutes to find our location. Our Lyft driver was wonderful, knowledgeable, very personable woman. So what was the most interesting thing she said? Well, she said two very interesting things. What was one of them?
That someone would make a day trip to San Francisco from Las Vegas.
Yep. And that she used to tour with
Wayne Newton.
So our pickup is near a rotunda where the Starbucks is. Our bus will be right out here out of the rotunda. So Tom's going to check us in while I wait for our Impossible sandwich. That bus was just at the Bellagio. That's funny. I hear those people talking about that's not it. They must be on the same tour we are going on. You want to sit in front? Better vlogging opportunities.
And that's the thing, is usually, like, using this for the dam, that seems strange because usually we're using a new bus like for a long tour, you know. Because you don't want to be dealing with, but actually it kind of makes sense because I think they're just running these around local for a little while until they, just to make sure that there's no kinks or whatever, you know what I mean? Like give them a little bit of a
break. That makes sense, yeah.
A bit of dry.
That is so weird. Drive, and there's people in the back seat.
But there's a few of them around. That's not the only one.
That's
there's
the first.
Companies.
Oh, really? That's the first one I've ever seen.
Yeah, there's different companies around. You'll see them around.
May stop
They're all trying to beat the one, you know.
To figure it out.
Nope, there's a driver.
Yeah, I think she.
And we're at our second location to pick out more people. We were the first stop. Looks like this is the second group of people getting on. That's a tight squeeze for people to get through. That's a pretty large group. You realize this is only our second tour?
I did not realize that.
We did a baseball bus tour and that was it.
Oh yeah, this is a much better bus. That one had a really short axle for like tight turns and just waggling up and down the highway.
Get out of my way.
This is nice bus. He said it only had 28,000 miles on it.
Welcome to the dam tour. I'm going to be your dam driver. My name is Dirk. Like Dirk Nowinski, Dirk the Daring, Dirk Benedict, Dirk Diggler, Dirk the Jerk, Dirty Dirk. I've heard them all. Dirky Murky, Perky Lurky. Still traumatized after all these years about that murky, perky, lurky stuff. Tour. So, we do have a restroom in the rear of this bus. This is a nice bus, huh?
Oh,
Why'd
yeah.
they give me a brand new bus? What were they thinking, right? We don't want to use the restroom on this bus for various reasons. It's only about 40 minutes out to the dam, okay, guys? So, we're not going to use the restroom, please. And if you need to get out of the coach in a hurry, all you have to do is yank on those bars underneath the window, jump right out the window. Please don't do that when the coach is in motion. If you need a fire extinguisher, we have one right underneath the seat right here, so we're not going to need that. That's the end of my safety lecture. Hopefully that was entertaining for you guys. Okay, guys. Guys, at this time, I would like for you to look around, make friends with everybody on the bus. This is going to be like one big happy family today, I hope. Okay. Try to make a note of what they're wearing. Be nice to these people. Okay, they're the ones going to be helping you take your travel photos. Your pictures might be crooked or clipped off on the side, you know what I'm saying? So be nice to these people. Everybody's looking around like, if it's going to be like a family, don't look at them in the eye. They're going to be asking us for money. They want us to invest in their multi-level marketing scheme. Timeshare presentation starts in 5 minutes, guys.
Let me off, somebody else.
All right. We're going to go to Boulder City first. That's the town that they built for the Hoover Dam workers. And we'll spend some time there in Boulder City, let you explore Boulder City a little bit. And then we'll head on down to the Hoover Dam. Okay. Maybe. This whole thing is a big mess right now. They're doing all kinds of construction here. We're gonna go to the dam and we'll go up on the big bypass bridge. You'll be able to get a photo of the dam from up on the bypass bridge, and then after that we will drive across the dam to the other side, and you'll be able to take photos from the other side. This is what they call the highlights tour. We don't actually go down into the dam to the power plant on this tour. Coming from all over the country to work on the dam. They didn't allow any drinking or gambling in their damn town. So when they got some time off, they would usually jump in a car and head out here to Lost Wages where they could burn some money.
First stop, Boulder City. We're in the Boulder Hotel, which is the oldest hotel here. We're headed to the restroom first. Ooh, look at that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Always on that
only have 30 minutes. Museum, shops, and gallery. So I think we're going to explore outside actually. Art got ooh, that mural.
I looked and I was like, man.
Gallery. Ooh, there's a giant. Is that part of the museum? Oh, there's another restroom. That would have been nice for people. I know, but wow, look at that. Okay, we're just, since we only have 30 minutes, we're just gonna make a quick little walkthrough. Because we want to see things outside. My dad has one of those water bags. Okay, this is just making me want to make a day trip here and spend the whole day. Shirley Temple. And then a theater video room. Want to go to that antique store? Don't have time for that. There's a whole bunch of like sculptures all over the place. Okay, we are going to go get some like there's Darth Vader. Let's go get a picture with Darth Vader because everybody comes to Boulder City. Oh, the Blues Brothers and Elvis. Oh, look at the cool marquee for the theater. We have a toad called the Kiss. This old RX Desert Sun Realty sign. He's happy. This is called Romance. This is called Egg-Sided. Humpty Dumpty. That's humorous. Oh my gosh. There are just so many sculptures. A bear attacking a horse and the man is gonna hit him with a frying pan? What is going on here? And he's got his fist balled up like he's gonna sock it to him. Because of the cub, it says if it isn't one thing, it's your mother. So there's the cub. It's like a Zoltar. It's the big kahuna. Because the Hawaiian guy totally fits in here in Boulder City. Oh. Oh, there's another one down here with old vintage horses. Like riding horses. A lot of antique stores we don't have time to go to. Really sucks. Look at that old vintage. Oh, look, Leo the lion. And this is actually a Zoltar. Alright, we're headed into this cute little store / coffee shop. Oh, I want those chairs. So cool. And a random foot. Okay, we only had 30 minutes here, which 5 of it was like bathroom break. All this has done is made us want to come back. So we will definitely be making a trip back here at some point. We're hoping nobody stole our seats. We left our drinks there in hopes that nobody would sit there. We like that seat so we can see everything, and it's great to vlog.
And this, I'm pretty sure this yellow one up here in front of us is a dingbat house. I'm pretty sure. They thought that looked like fingers of somebody's hands, so that reminded them of Joshua in the Bible with his hands up in the air, praising God. So they call them Joshua trees. The lake, there's a huge chunk of the lake on the other side of the mountains over there. This lake is named after the engineer Dr. Some of those guys are floating up now from the lake being, water we needed to maintain the depth. But most of our water at the dam comes from the snow melt from up in the Rocky Mountains. So it's expected to be low this time in Boulder City. Vicki Lawrence from Carol Burnett and Mama's family. She's got a house here. And Arnold, the Garbinator, he's got a house out here. I'll be back to Boulder City when it's below 110 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll be back. That's probably what he says, I don't know. Now this house, see the house on the left with the long driveway with the palm trees, the arches? That's a very special house. You see that house over there, guys? That's a very special house. I don't know who lives there, but that's a nice house. That's a good one. One of my favorites. And drawings of the animals and the wildlife in the canyon. So his name was John Wesley Powell. So the other lake up on the other end is called Lake Powell. And that's a beautiful lake up there. That's all sandstone formations up at Lake Powell. What you're seeing here, these are volcanoes that punched up through the sandstone about 80 million years ago. It was like yesterday. You can see the line that goes around the lake. That line is from a flood back in '83. So we don't want the water to be quite up at that line, but we would like for the lake to be much deeper. You can see the lake is way low. Way low. Boulder City, where you're not allowed to gamble. And we're less than 2 miles from the state line. And look what you see right here. A casino. Shocking. In case you're not sure what the building is for, it says casino in huge letters here. At this point in the tour, if you look left or right, you're going to see it.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to we're on the run today.